Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this mini Christmas tree keychain. As usual, we will be starting with a slip knot. I am using crochet hook of 3.5 mm. After slip knot is done, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. This free end of the yarn we have to keep it separate. We don't have to include in our stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. See, here we make a slip stitch. Because of joining this first and the last stitch, we get a very small tiny bit circle in between. It is quite small, but our needle can easily pass through it. See this small tiny bit circle we get, gap we get. Now we will be making stitches each time passing our needle from inside that circle. Okay, we will make 9 double crochet stitches. See, each time I'm passing my needle from inside that circle and making my double crochet stitch. So similarly, like we will make 9 double crochet stitches. If you people want to refer tutorial video for how to make double crochet stitch, you can link is already given in description. You can refer the tutorial video placed on my channel. It is with written instruction, quite slow demonstration is given, so you will understand it well. I'll just complete the stitches and I'll show you. Now I'm almost done with my 9 double crochet stitches. Now see, I told you earlier to keep that free end of the yarn separate. Now just pull it so that gap, that small hole is reduced. It's all get packed. Okay, now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now just turn it to the right side of the stitch. Okay, now from here, for complete Christmas tree, we will be following only one pattern in all the rounds. Okay, we will, in 3 continuous stitches, we will make 1 double crochet stitch. Okay, in 3 continuous stitches we will make 1 double crochet stitch each, and in every 4th stitch we will make 2 double crochet stitches in one single stitch. This is the only pattern we are going to follow. As many rounds we want to take, as many bigger Christmas tree we want to make, but this is the only pattern we will be following. Okay, I'll just complete 2 rounds and I'll show you. After every 2 rounds we will make a lace also. I'll show you that further how to make. First I'll complete this 2 rounds and I'll show you. Now, as I told you, after every 2 rounds we will be making a lace. That lace is a very simple lace. We will just make 3 chain crochet stitches, skip one stitch and join it in the next stitch. See, this way with the slip stitch. That is actually a framework. Later we will be making a pattern on that also. So 3 chain crochet stitches, skip a stitch and join it in the next stitch. This we are going to do in every second round. Okay, every second round. Once we are done with the lace, we will again make a pattern in the same round where we have made that lace. In that same round we will make a pattern also. Okay, so like we will start with a chain crochet stitch. We will make a chain crochet stitch, and after that we will make a same pattern, 3 double crochet stitches, 1 in each single stitch, and in every 4th stitch 2 double crochet stitches. Okay, but that pattern we will make behind that chain. Okay, that chain should come in front. See, I am making the same pattern, but I am making it behind the chain, behind the lace, sorry. So it's like in 3 continuous stitches, 1 1 1 double crochet stitch, and every 4th stitch 2 double crochet stitch. So again we will make 2 rounds. Then after in second round we will make this lace again of 3 chain crochet stitches. Again 2 rounds, and then we will make the lace again of 3 chain crochet stitches. That's it. We won't make it more bigger. In fact, if you want to skip further 2 rounds, you can make only 4 rounds only. I have made like 6 rounds, 1 basic round and rest 6 rounds. So you can just make it in 4 rounds also. It depends on you. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thanks a lot, thanks a million for helping me grow on YouTube. And those who have not subscribed, I'll request you, please do subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lot of tutorial videos, so please subscribe. Okay, I'll just show you how it looks after completion. I'm going to make total 4 rounds, and in every second round I'll make that lace. We don't have to skip the round where we made a lace. Behind the lace we will again start with a pattern. Pattern is same all around. See, this is how it looks. So a lace comes in every second round. See, now we will make a design or pattern in that lace also, in those 3 chain crochet stitches also. Okay, now we will join new yarn. To join new yarn, keep 2 loops on the needle, pull your new yarn through it and make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, this is how you join your new yarn. Now the pattern for the lace is going to be 1 single crochet stitch, then 2 double crochet stitch and 1 single crochet stitch. Okay, so same pattern we are going to do in each 3 chain crochet stitches all around the all lace. I'll just complete this all 3 laces and I'll just show you. So this is how it looks after completing. Okay, you want to decorate it more, you can decorate it more, and this star video is also there in further in the video. If you want to attach a keychain, just make a chain crochet stitch as long as you want, join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch and join your key ring to it, and you can decorate it some beads or anything whatever you want. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here we make a slip knot. I'm using 2.5 mm crochet needle hook. Okay, this is a slip knot. Okay, and now we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Try to take loose stitches, loose and bigger stitches. So we are making 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Here we make a slip stitch. Now see, we get a very small tiny bit circle. It is small but a needle can easily pass through. So we get this small tiny bit circle. So we will make some stitches passing a needle from inside that circle. Okay. Now we will make 4 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now we will skip stitch which is beside the loop on the needle. This stitch we will skip, and in the next stitch we will make a slip stitch. Okay, then in next stitch we will make 1 single crochet stitch. Okay, in next we will make 1 half double crochet stitch. Okay, now we will make a slip stitch with that small tiny bit circle. See, passing a needle from inside that circle, we will make a slip stitch with that small tiny bit circle. Now this is the first point of the star. We have to make all rest 4 points with the same pattern. I'll just make it and show it to you. If you people want to refer tutorial video for single crochet stitch and like half double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. All tutorial videos are with written instructions and quite slow demo is given, quite simply explained. So please do refer the videos also. Okay, I'll just make some more points and I'll show you. Pattern is going to be same. Just don't take that thread in the stitches. One loose end is there while we were making the slip knot. I'll just complete it and I'll show you. Those who have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'll request you please do subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Help me grow on YouTube please. And those who have already subscribed my YouTube channel, thanks a lot. Thank you so much. And if you like the video, please like, comment and share also. Okay, here we are on our third point of the star. This you can use on your small Christmas tree decoration, or you can use it in many decorations like many crochet things if you want. So here our star is done. Now see that loose end, loose thread I was saying, pull it harder. See that gap is almost closed. So this is how a mini crochet Christmas tree keychain looks like. So if you like the video, please like, comment and share. And those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, I'll request you to please subscribe. I'm coming up with many such tutorial videos. And those who have already subscribed, thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.